Hey YouTube fam, what up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I haven't been doing any regular videos for a while because my computer was in the shop. I didn't have enough memory on my solid state drive, so I had to get the memory upgraded. Anyway, that's a whole nother long story. I got the computer back and the memory's where I need it to be, so I'm back in business here. I can get back to doing some videos. This video is a 800 subscriber giveaway video, as you guys seen from the title. So if you guys remember when I did the 700 subscriber giveaway video or winner video, when I announced the winner the last time, I told you guys at the end of the video to comment down below on that video, and I'll pick a winner out of the comments for this waterproof wireless Bluetooth speaker. So this is what I'm giving away today. It's got a suction cup on it. I guess it's probably like for the shower. It's splash proof, waterproof, and it's got a suction cup on it, and it's got a stereo and a radio and all that stuff. Here's a better look at it. This is what we're gonna give away today. So yeah, I don't want to ramble on here too much. I hit 800 subscribers about a week ago. I'm at 825 now. Welcome to all the new people. Thanks for joining the channel and supporting my dreams. I really want to get this channel going and do some big things for the FPV and the RC community and be able to travel and just do stuff for people in general along the way, you know. I like to go a lot of different places and fly my drones and drive my cars, and I want to be able to go on a lot of adventures with you guys. Anyway, so this will be one of my next videos coming up. We're about to get to this giveaway here in just a second, but I wanted to show you guys. This will be one of my next videos coming up here shortly now that I got my computer back. This is the Umagod, the Cricket. Cricket designed it, and it was built by Umagod, his company. But Cricket designed it. This is the Moon Goat frame. It's a 5-inch quad. I'm going to be putting a DJI system in it. So it's going to be a DJI Moon Goat 6S running these 1700 kV motors right here. Anyway, guys, that's enough of me rambling. Let's get over here to the computer and see who's going to win this giveaway. Here we go. All right, guys, here we go. We're on the random comment picker here. We're going to go down here, right here, and we're going to enter this video. Back to the channel. So this is the video I'm talking about. Giveaway entry video, comment to win. So all these comments, any of these people that commented right here have a chance to win. So we're going to copy this right here. Go back to the random comment picker. We're going to enter this video right here. There we go. It's in there. Get YouTube comments. Amount of commenters, 9. So you have a 1 in 9 chance of winning this speaker. Everybody that commented on that video, you have a 1 in 9 chance. Here we go. Let's find out who's going to win. Good luck, guys. Kevin Smith. Kevin Smith, you are the winner. So if your name is Kevin Smith, please contact me on Facebook. My name on Facebook is Kenny Hale. Again, my name on Facebook is Kenny Hale, and I need you to contact me through Facebook and give me your address so I can send this speaker to you. Alright fam, that's going to do it for this video. Kevin Smith, you won the wireless waterproof shower speaker. So get a hold of me on Facebook. My name is Kenny Hale on Facebook. I need you to get a hold of me through there so I can get your address so I can send this to you. Thanks for everybody that participated, and again, welcome to all the new subscribers, and thanks for supporting the dream. I appreciate all of you guys. I got my computer back now, and we're going to start doing some bigger things. I'm going to start trying to get the videos better and better. And keep sharing, keep subscribing, and keep liking and commenting for me. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Kevin Smith, get a hold of me. You won.